Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we're diving into a critical flaw that many website owners still overlook today, admin account protection, and why the generic admin username is still an open invitation for hackers. Let's head over to the users, then select the All Users section to see what we mean. As you can see right here, the default username for this administrator account is just admin. When you use a generic username like this, you're making things easy for automated bots and brute force attacks. They already have half of your login credentials, like the username. All they have to do now is guess your password. To fix this, we need to create a completely new administrator account with a secure, unpredictable username. Click on Add New. Instead of using admin, pick a combination username like a mix of a name, letters, or random numbers that aren't easily tied to your public identity. Fill out the email, first name, and last name fields as usual. Next, make sure you use a strong password. We already have a password policy enabled on the site using Ultimate Security. Check the description box to get the plugin download link. Now scroll down to the role setting. This is the crucial part. Change the dropdown from subscriber to administrator. This gives your new account full control over the site. Once that's set, go ahead and click Add New User. And there you have it. Look at the difference. We now have a strong combination username that hackers won't be able to guess in a standard automated attack. If you found this quick security tip helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.